Hi, Chief. Appreciate you meeting me here. Let's go kick some consulate butt.
Hello, Ace. You come for your money?
Wrong again, Sweeney Toad. I've come for the sacred bat. Where is it?
Why, Ace, whatever can you mean?
Guano. Hello. Does poop ring a bell? Guano mines as a source of nitrate, producing 84% of the world's supply of fertilizer. A $1.4 billion industry. That's what this war is all about. You can't legally take possession of the caves as long as the Wachatis inhabit the area. And you want that dookie so bad you can taste it.
But, sir, I thought that...
Yep, thank you.
That's a fine theory, Mr. Ventura. What has it got to do with me?
I thought you'd never ask. The day I met you, there was a white substance on your shoe that I mistook for plaster. Yesterday, I saw the same white substance outside the hut where the bat was kept, and suddenly it hit me. The great white bat has great white guano. That's what you slipped in. That's what was on your shoe, and that explains the abrasion on your palm. Let me run that back for you. Smutny was me, smutny, magnet, me, smutny, that's what you slipped in. That's what was on your shoe, and that explains the abrasion on your palm. Damn, I'm good! Can you feel that? Huh? Can you feel it, Captain Compost? The day of redemption is at hand! Repent, and thou shalt be saved.
Very good, Mr. Ventura. Very good. I believe you've solved the case.
One thing I still don't understand, Mr. Belvedere. If you are the slime behind this little flim-flam, why, oh what, did you hire me?
I'm afraid there's going to be a horrendous investigation after the war. You were my alibi to prove I'd done everything I could to stop it.
Arrest him. Arrest him! Please arrest him. Simon says arrest him.
I thought you loved all animals, Mr. Ventura.
Not even supposed to love all animals.
Shall I stick him on the wall?
No, I don't think it'll be necessary, Godfrey. Mr. Ventura here has very cleverly stolen the sacred bat of the Wachati. Unfortunately, we were unable to recover it in time to stop the war.
Greenwall, hit the lights! The switch on the wall beside you! Go for it! Flick it, quick! Alrighty then. Shall we go to jail?